Why do you take admission in Thakur Hussain Rashtra Public School, Rekla, Bahraich?
For your right teacher. Because of one school with many qualities.
Skill.
Growth. Excellent. Discipline. Leadership.
Don't wait for tomorrow.
Take admission now. Session 2026-27.